Health advantages of clove oil. Treats infections. Because of its antiseptic qualities, clove oil is helpful for wound, cuts, scabies, athlete Euro trademark S feet, yeast infections, bruises, prickly heat, scabies, and other kinds of injuries. It is also employed for treating insect bites and stings. It's very strong anyway and ought to allows be used in diluted form, but ought to be carefully used by those with sensitive skin. Skin care. Clove oil is frequently suggested for skin care, specifically for acne patients. The results would be best achieved once the oil can be used in liquid form and spread on the clean, dry rag. It will be in lots of products for reducing the results of getting older, like wrinkles, sagging skin, and facial rejuvenation for that eyes due to its rejuvenating which stimulates qualities, which could increase bloodstream flow underneath the unhealthy skin making it look youthful again. Boosts defense mechanisms. Both clove and clove oil are helpful for enhancing the defense mechanisms. Its antiviral qualities and skill to purify the bloodstream, increase potential to deal with numerous illnesses, since the antioxidants in clove oil scavenge your body of harmful toxins that create numerous illnesses like heart disease and certain kinds of cancer. Lowers stress. Clove oil is definitely an aphrodisiac anyway and for that reason can serve as a great stress reliever. It features a stimulating impact on your brain and removes mental exhaustion and fatigue. When ingested in appropriate amounts, it refreshes your brain and stimulates thinking processes. Additionally, it induces sleep and it is useful to patients struggling with insomnia. It's also helpful for the treatment of neural disorders, for example loss of memory, depression, and anxiety. Treats respiratory system problems. Clove oil includes a cooling and anti-inflammatory effect, and it is commonly used to clear the nasal passage. This expectorant is really a helpful strategy to various respiratory system disorders including coughs, common colds, bronchitis, bronchial asthma, sinus problems, and TB. Eating a clove bud is suggested to assuage sore throats.